Are you a small business owner trying to find the right insurance company, but feel like you're drowning in options? Let's be real, between the fine print, confusing policies, and never-ending Google searches, shopping for small business insurance can feel like a full-time job. But don't worry, you don't have to figure this out alone. Whether you run a bakery, a trucking company, a home-based freelance gig, or a retail shop, the right insurance can protect you from lawsuits, property damage, and costly surprises. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best small business insurance companies in the USA, starting from number 5 and working our way up to number 1, which is our personal favorite, Next Insurance. Check out the link in the description box below. Stick around because we'll not only rank these companies, but also break down who they're best for, what types of coverage they offer, and what real users say about them. Ready to find the best fit for your business? Number 5. Travelers Insurance. Starting off our list at number 5 is Travelers Insurance, one of the oldest and most trusted names in the industry. They've been around since 1853. Travelers is a great pick if you're looking for customized, comprehensive business insurance with the backing of a large and financially strong company. What they offer. Travelers has policies that cover general liability, workers' compensation, commercial property, commercial auto, cyber liability, and even surety bonds. This makes them an especially solid choice for brick-and-mortar businesses, manufacturers, and contractors. Who it's best for. Medium to large-sized small businesses. Businesses that need specialized or multiple lines of coverage. Those who want to work with an agent for a more personalized touch. What users say. Many policyholders praise Travelers for its reliable customer service, fast claim response, and ability to handle complex insurance needs. Keep in mind, they're not the cheapest option, and getting a quote online isn't always easy. You often need to go through an agent. So if you're into DIY online tools, this may not be your favorite. Number 4. Hiscox. Coming in at number 4 is Hiscox, a company that's become a favorite for freelancers, consultants, and micro-businesses. Hiscox has been around for over 100 years, and they've built a strong reputation for providing flexible policies for very small businesses, even solo entrepreneurs. What they offer. General liability, professional liability, great for consultants, business owners policy, BOP, cyber liability, short-term event insurance. One of the best things about Hiscox? You can buy everything online. No agent required. Who it's best for. Solo entrepreneurs and freelancers. Home-based businesses. Consultants, IT pros, marketing professionals. What users say. Business owners love the quick online quotes, competitive pricing, and no-fuss setup. Hiscox also offers monthly payment plans, which can be a game-changer for newer businesses on a budget. Just a heads up. While Hiscox is excellent for small-scale coverage, they may not offer as much flexibility for growing or more complex operations. And customer service reviews are a bit mixed, especially around the claims process. Number 3. Chubb. Number 3 on our list is Chubb, a premium insurance company that's known for going the extra mile. If your business involves high-value property or you operate in a specialized industry, Chubb might be exactly what you need. What they offer. Chubb provides commercial property insurance, general and product liability, cyber insurance, professional liability, workers' comp, international business policies. What sets Chubb apart is the depth of their coverage and their claims process, which many customers describe as fast, fair, and hassle-free. Who it's best for. Businesses with valuable physical assets. Law firms, finance professionals, healthcare providers. Companies that need tailored risk management solutions. What users say. Chubb gets high marks for customer service, especially when it comes to handling complex claims. They're known for their financial strength, and they insure businesses of all sizes, from startups to large corporations. But here's the catch. Chubb doesn't offer online quotes for most policies, and it's not the cheapest. You'll likely need to work with a broker or agent, which adds a step to the process. Number 2. The Hartford. At number 2, we've got The Hartford, a company that's been serving small businesses for over 200 years. This is one of the most trusted names in small business insurance, and they've insured over 1 million small businesses across the U.S. What they offer: Business Owners Policy, BOP, General Liability, Workers' Compensation, Commercial Auto, Professional Liability, Data Breach Coverage. The Hartford is all about serving small to mid-sized businesses with clear policies and great support. Who it's best for: retail shops, restaurants, service providers, tradespeople. What users say: customers love the responsive customer service, ease of filing claims, and transparent policy documents. One thing to note: some users feel the rates can be a bit high depending on the state and industry. But what you're really paying for here is peace of mind and solid support. Number 1. Next Insurance. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for, our number 1 pick for the best small business insurance company in the USA is Next Insurance. Check out the link in the description box below. Next is designed specifically for small businesses, and that's a big reason it stands out. Unlike traditional insurers, Next is 100% digital, modern, and built with small business owners in mind. What they offer: Next covers general liability, professional liability, workers' comp, commercial auto, tools and equipment insurance, business owners policy, BOP, commercial property. And the best part? You can get a quote, buy a policy, and manage everything from your phone in just minutes. Who it's best for: startups and small businesses, contractors, handymen, and tradespeople, retailers, food trucks, beauty professionals, freelancers, and gig workers. What users say: customers love how easy it is to get coverage online. The platform is sleek, the quotes are fast, and the monthly payments are affordable, which is a big win for new business owners. Next also gives you instant access to shareable certificates of insurance, COI. That's super useful if you're trying to land clients or contracts. A couple of things to keep in mind. Next is still expanding its offerings, so coverage might vary depending on your state or industry. But they're growing fast and getting great reviews for customer support. If you're looking for affordable, fast, and easy-to-manage insurance tailored to your business, Next Insurance is a no-brainer. That's why they've earned the top spot on our list. No matter what type of business you run, there's an insurance company that fits your needs. Just make sure you compare quotes, understand your coverage, and don't leave your business exposed.